In this segment, we are going to be looking at profit maximization in a monopoly market. We have shown it in our previous video using graph, and in this case, we are going to be using table. As we have said repeatedly, that in a monopoly market, there is one single seller selling a unique product that has no close substitute. And as a result of this, it can influence the price, it determines the price in the market, it sets the price, it is the price maker. But we say that it cannot determine two things at the same time. It cannot determine the price and also as well determine the number of units which consumers will purchase. The level of income of consumer will determine what they are going to purchase. But if a monopolist wants to sell more, what he needs to do is to reduce the price. So when he reduces the price, it becomes the lower the price, the higher the quantity demanded. This is one way in which a monopolist can make a profit in a monopoly market. There are conditions, of course, to be met. The first is marginal cost, which is MC, must equals marginal revenue. Then also, at this point, where marginal cost equals marginal revenue, price will be greater than marginal cost, and marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Then the slope of marginal cost will be greater than the slope of marginal revenue. So let's use this table. Let's use this table to explain it. We are going to start our journey from P, that is price. We are going to start from price. This is our output. This is our price. This is our total revenue derived by P times Q. Then this is our marginal revenue. This is our total cost. This is our marginal cost. This is our profit, which is total revenue minus total cost. Let's start from P. We are starting from P. You can see when our price is $6. Our price is $6. The output sold is just one. It's just one unit. Now our total revenue at this point is P times Q, which is 6 times 1. It's going to give us 6. No marginal revenue because we don't have previous total revenue. So if you don't have previous total revenue, there is no way you can have additional. So no marginal revenue. Then we have total cost here, which is $3. No marginal cost. Then our profit here will now be total revenue minus total cost, which is our total revenue 6. 6 minus total cost. Total cost 3, which is 6 minus 3. Will give us 3. That is how we get that here. Then the same thing here. But when the price reduces from $6 to $5, then there is increment. You can see that quantity demanded increases to 2 units. The total revenue also increases to $10. The marginal cost 4 here. The total cost is 4. Then our marginal cost is 1. Then our profit becomes total revenue minus total cost, which is our total revenue here 10. Then our total cost 4, which is 10 minus 4, which is going to give us $6. So this is the profit here. Then look at this point again. When the price also falls to 4, you can see when the price falls to 4, quantity demanded increases, which shows that the lower the price, the higher the quantity demanded. Then we have total revenue to be 12, which is P times Q. P times Q. P times Q, which is $12. That is what we have here. We have our marginal revenue, then our total cost, our marginal cost, then we have our profit. How do we get this profit? Total revenue minus total cost. Our total revenue is 12, our total cost is 6. 12 minus 6, we are going to have $6. So that is how we have all of this here. Now, let's now go. At what point will this monopolist make highest profit here? Highest profit. If you look at it now, you can see that MR must equals MC. And when you look at where the value of MR, look at the value of MR, and look at the value of MC, you can see that at 2, MR is $2, MC is $2. It's at this point where MR equals MC, that is where the highest profit is made. So any profit you find at the point where MR equals MC, that is the highest profit. So this is our highest profit, which is $6. That's the first condition. And how do you know that this is correct? At that point, you will see that your price, at this point now, MC is 2. Then price at that point, look at the price at that point, 4. So price is $4, which must be greater than MC, 2. MR, 2. So price must be greater than MC and also be greater than MR at that point. So it means that we have satisfied the first condition. Then the second condition there, the slope of MC must be greater than the slope of MR. Well, what is the slope of MC? That is the gradient, that is the additional cost. That is the additional cost. The immediate additional cost, that is what the slope is referring to there. The immediate additional cost after the point where MC equals MR. The immediate additional cost of marginal cost must be greater than the immediate additional revenue, which is 0. You can see the immediate additional cost must be greater than the immediate additional revenue, which is the marginal cost. The immediate marginal cost must be greater than the immediate marginal revenue. You can see the slope of MC, which is 2 here, immediately after the point where MC equals MR, 2. And the slope of MR, which is 0, you can see 2 is greater than 0. So that shows that this is the point where profit is maximized by this monopolist. So that is, we are going to be showing more video concerning economics topic. We implore you to subscribe and get more of our videos. Thank you.